Hi guys, I just wanted to make a quick review about these bags that I recently purchased. I really like them because it's a great size. I'm always on the go with my baby, and I like the fact that it has two zipper design, so I can separate clothes from dirty clothes to clean clothes. It has this handle, it snaps, so you can either attach it to something, to a different bag, or just if you want to carry like that, it's easier. And they are very I like the size just because I could either fold them, like if I want to just put it inside the other diaper bag. For these diaper bags, like I said, I'm gonna use them specifically for travel, so I didn't have a bag where to store the diapers, because I usually buy a big box of diapers, so these are perfect. You could put as many diapers as you want. Like I said before, it has two compartments. So one you can use for cleaning, and then another one for soil if you don't have anywhere to, temporarily to store it until you find a trash can. But yeah, they're really easy to use, and they have a lot of room, a lot of space to store a lot of diapers, and they're both the same thing. So yeah, hope you like it.